How to unsend a message in Instagram group chat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the messages icon on the top right of your screen and further navigate the group chat from where you want to unsend the message. Once you have opened the group chat, tap hold on the message that you want to unsend, and in the menu that appears, you will see the option for unsend. So simply tap on the unsend option you see there, and with this, the message will be unsent. So this is how you can unsend a message in Instagram group chat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.